Hello guys, welcome to another video on how to trade cryptocurrency like a pro. In the last lesson we talked about cryptocurrency wallets, and in this lesson we'll be going through cryptocurrency exchanges and why you should care. As a cryptocurrency trader, you cannot afford not to know about cryptocurrency exchange. So let's get started and go to the business. Then what is cryptocurrency exchange? Our cryptocurrency exchange is also called a digital currency exchange, or DC for short. It's a web platform that help cryptocurrency trader exchange their coins for money or exchange their money for coins. And most exchanges are more focused on providing services to help you exchange a cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin into other digital currency like Ethereum, Litecoin, and so on. What this means is that you can exchange your Bitcoin for other currency, and you can exchange other currencies like Litecoin, Tron, Ripple, Shilling for Bitcoin, and you can also exchange these cryptocurrencies for your fiat currency, for your naira, for your dollar, for your pounds, for your euro, and so on. And then what are the types of cryptocurrency exchange? You have centralized cryptocurrency exchange, decentralized cryptocurrency exchange, and hybrid cryptocurrency exchange. Centralized cryptocurrency exchange and like traditional stock exchange. The buyers and seller come together and exchange plays the role of a middleman. The exchange plays the role that's centralized. It is being controlled. There's someone, there are teams of people, there's some teams behind and controlling that exchange. And this exchange is typically charge a commission to facilitate the transaction made between the buyer and the seller. In the crypto world, centralized means to trust somebody else to handle your money. For example, if I want to buy Bitcoin and you want to sell, so there's someone that will act as a middleman, collect the Bitcoin you want to sell, and then collect the money I want to buy my Bitcoin with. Then if agreement meets, the person will give me the coin, then give you the money in return. But before giving you, he or she must have deducted the transaction fee from it. There's some kind of centralized exchange in cryptocurrency. And most centralized cryptocurrency exchange have crypto pairings, but not all of them provide fiat crypto pairing. What this means is that some exchanges offers coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tron Bitcoin, Ethereum Bitcoin, and so on. Those ones are crypto pairs. And then some offers Bitcoin Naira, Bitcoin Pounds, Bitcoin Euro, Bitcoin Yen, and so on. Those are crypto and fiat currency pairs. And the crypto pairing involve exchanging one cryptocurrency like Bitcoin for another cryptocurrency like Ethereum. And a fiat crypto pairing involves exchanging a traditional currency like your USD, your pounds, your euro for a cryptocurrency. I hope you're getting the drift. The example of these centralized exchanges are Coinbase, Bittrex, Passful, Yellowcard. Yellowcard is a Nigerian-based cryptocurrency exchange. If you are Nigerian, you must have heard of that. And then decentralized cryptocurrency exchange. Decentralized cryptocurrency exchange is just an exchange that doesn't rely on middleman or men to hold your funds. It's a marketplace where buyers and sellers come together and process the transaction directly between one another. In other words, decentralized exchange facilitates peer-to-peer trades in cryptocurrency. And then how do you choose an exchange? But before that, an hybrid exchange is a kind of exchange that combines the attribute of a centralized and decentralized. It combines the attributes of both. It acts as a centralized exchange. It also acts as a decentralized exchange. So how to choose an exchange? before you just go into the cryptocurrency community or market to choose an exchange, you must look at some things, and one of them is security. Security is one of the biggest issue in cryptocurrency industry. Exchanges are at constant risk of hacks, frauds, and pump and dump scheme. What's the meaning of pump and dump? Pump and dump is when someone encourages an investor to buy a crypto asset in order to artificially inflate its value. That's pumping, and then sells his own asset at a high price. That's dumping. That is why one of the most important things to do before choosing your crypto shop or exchange is to do your own research. Always do your own research. Read reviews. Ask your cryptocurrency traders, your fellow cryptocurrency traders, what they feel if they've used this exchange before, what they feel about it. Should you use it as well? And then the other things to look at is liquidity. Without sufficient liquidity, the price and the speed of your transaction may be compromised. After you decide which cryptocurrency you want to purchase, make sure your exchange offers sufficient liquidity and trading volume for fast and easy transactions. Liquidity also ensures you are able to sell and buy without cryptocurrency's price being significantly affected by big market movers. The more buyers and sellers there are, the more liquidity that exists in such cryptocurrency exchange. If for example, if you are trading Tron in an exchange that the volume of the Tron they have there is 5,000, imagine trading in such exchange. Your trade will take forever to be free when you compare to a cryptocurrency exchange that has millions millions in volumes of Tron and millions of people trading it with different fiat currency or crypto coins. When there are more cryptocurrency traders on the platform, when there are more particular coins on the platform, the trading, the transaction there is faster compared to when there is a cryptocurrency that offers low volume. Then other things to look at are ease of use. There was a time I wanted to sign up for cryptocurrency exchange. I want to use it, but after signing up and downloaded the app actually took forever to load. So immediately I had to uninstall the app immediately. I did that because it was stressful for me. The app was not easy, and I can't be carrying my laptop around if I'm going to be using such kind of exchange. So when you are using an exchange, it must be easy. It must be easy for you to use. Then the transaction fee. Every exchange has transaction fee. Some offers 1%, some offers 0.5, some offers 2%. You need to look at those things on their sites to make sure you make the right decision. And then you look at the cryptocurrency and the kind of currency, the kind of fiat currency they accepted. For example, Binance accepted almost all currency, and they even have some Binance app that's specific to a specific location. The Binance created a USA based app. It's only for USA citizens that can use the app, while it creates some that can be used in Africa and other. So it also offers, as a Nigerian, Binance offers you the opportunity or the ability to make deposits from your local bank. And if there's any exchange that's making depositing or withdrawing difficult, that's not kind of exchange you can go into to trade cryptocurrency. And also mode of payment made mention of that. On Binance, for example, you can get paid in Naira, and you can also transfer to your local bank account easily without any problem. Also look at that in your cryptocurrency exchange. You also look at the limits of transaction you can make. Whereas a VIP0 on Binance, you can withdraw or you can have up to 100 Bitcoin. So when you upgrade your level, you can have more than that. So when you are dealing with cryptocurrency, know their limits. And for us, also for an example, Luno offers you limits when you're on level 1 on Luno. Luno offers limits deposit of 200,000 and the limit of withdrawal of 200,000. So as soon as your limit is up, your account will be locked until you provide the necessary document to upgrade to the next level. So you should keep that in mind and make sure you know the things required of your cryptocurrency exchange before using them. And that is it about cryptocurrency exchange. Don't forget, if you need to go over this video again, you just have to go over it. You pause, take down some notes and continue again. And with this, I'll see you in the next lesson.